everyone. We're researchers from the Matilda Centre at the University of Sydney, and we have all received funding from Australian Rotary Health. The time of COVID is a time of uncertainty and fear. We must all absolutely physically distance in order to defeat this virus, but at the same time, we have to consider ways to maintain our well-being. How do we stay socially connected? We'd really like to share some tips with you today about how to maintain your own well-being during the time of COVID.
Firstly, acknowledge how you're feeling. It's natural that we're feeling anxious, stressed, or sad at this time. Sometimes it helps to talk about it. Sometimes it helps to have a cry. We should also cut ourselves some slack. We may be less productive than we normally are. It's going to take some time to adjust.
It's also important to connect with others. We need to connect. Remember that at the same time as being physically distant, we can still stay socially connected.
We also need to engage in active coping. This means working within the situation, uncertain and challenging as it is, to look after ourselves and others. Check in with others. Just listening to how they are feeling goes a long way. Help your own mental health through exercise, sleep and healthy eating. Find ways to have fun.
It's also important to find alternatives. At the moment, we need to think outside the box and find creative alternative ways to socialise, exercise and have fun. We can motivate each other by sharing newly discovered options and ways to virtually connect.
And remember to switch off sometimes. In a time of uncertainty like this, we can find ourselves experiencing information overload. We need to switch off sometimes and take time out from thinking or hearing about COVID.
And remember to reach out for support, whether it's yourself or encouraging others to reach out. There are some fantastic resources online that can help you manage anxiety and stop it from spiralling out of control. This is particularly important if you have pre-existing mental health conditions. So thank you to Australian Rotary Health for lifting a lid on mental illness.